Hey everyone! If you drive a Dodge, Jeep, Ram, Chrysler, or Fiat with a 2.4L Tigershark engine, you need to hear this. The main reason for the oil consumption problem is a design flaw in the piston rings of the 2.4L Tigershark engine. These rings can let oil slip into the combustion chamber where it burns off instead of staying in the engine. Over time, this leads to higher oil usage and can even cause engine damage if not addressed. There's a new Technical Service Bulletin, or TSB, out, number 0900323, later revised as 0900323 Rev. A, with something called an XB1 warranty extension. First, this isn't a recall, but it could get you a free engine replacement if your car's burning too much oil. So how much does it cost to fix this oil consumption issue? If your vehicle qualifies for the warranty extension under TSB 0900323 Rev. A, Jeep, Dodge, Chrysler, Ram, or Fiat will cover the full cost of repairs, including a possible engine replacement, at no charge to you. If your car is not covered, repairs can be expensive, often ranging from $2,000 to $5,000 or more for a full engine rebuild or replacement. That's why it's so important to check your VIN and see if you qualify for the free repair. Here's what's happening. If your oil pressure light comes on between oil changes or you're adding oil more than you should, your car might be affected. Dealers are seeing this a lot in these models. 2013-16 Dodge Dart, 2014-19 Jeep Cherokee, 2015-18 Ram ProMaster City, 2015-18 Jeep Renegade, 2015-17 Chrysler 200, 2016-18 Fiat 500X, and 2017-18 Jeep Compass. You'll want to double-check with your dealer because eligibility depends on your VIN. So what do? Step 1. Call your local Stellantis, Jeep, Dodge, Chrysler, or Fiat dealer and say you want to be checked for TSB 0900323 Rev. A, the XB1 oil consumption warranty. Step 2. Ask them to run your VIN for eligibility and request an oil consumption test if you've been losing oil. To qualify for the warranty extension, your vehicle must have a 2.4L Tigershark engine and fall within specific model years and mileage limits. Typically, this includes 2013-16 Dodge Dart, 2014-19 Jeep Cherokee, 2015-18 Ram ProMaster City, 2015-18 Jeep Renegade, 2015-17 Chrysler 200, 2016-18 Fiat 500X, and 2017-18 Jeep Compass. Your car must also show signs of excessive oil consumption, like needing to add oil between changes or having the oil warning light come on. For the extended warranty, your vehicle must meet these criteria and pass an oil consumption test at the dealership. Always check with your dealer using your VIN to confirm eligibility. Don't forget to bring your oil change records and keep notes on how much oil you're adding. This can really help your case. People online are already getting their engines replaced under this warranty extension, so don't wait. Online forums and social media are full of drivers sharing their experiences with the 2.4L Tigershark engine. Many say they've had to add oil between changes, while others report getting their engines replaced under the new warranty extension. Some people are frustrated by the process, but others are relieved to finally get help. If you're dealing with this, you're definitely not alone. If you found this helpful, please subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. Let's keep your ride running strong.